For decades, the F-150 has been the undisputed king of the pickup world, a titan of versatility and capability. But what happens when Ford takes that legendary DNA and fuses it with tomorrow's technology, design, and power? You get this. A truck that looks like it just drove off a sci-fi movie set, yet promises to be the most capable F-150 ever built. Is it purely electric? What about its legendary work ethic? How will it revolutionize the way we think about pickups? We're diving deep into every angle, every detail, and every futuristic possibility of the 2026 F-150. You don't want to miss a single second. Alright, let's start where this truck truly makes its statement. The exterior. Looking at the front of the 2026 F-150, you immediately understand that Ford designers were given a clear mandate. Innovate, but keep it unmistakably F-150. And they delivered with spectacular results. The first thing that grabs your attention is that colossal grille. It's not just a grille, it's a fascia. Dominated by a bold, illuminated Ford script stretching across its entire width, it absolutely commands the road. This isn't just a badge, it's a statement. The texture within the grille appears robust, almost like a solid, sculpted block of metal, suggesting immense strength and durability. The integration of the lighting here is simply masterful. Those distinct C-shaped LED signature lights wrap around a series of stacked, square, multi-projector LED headlamps. This isn't just lighting, it's a visual signature. The crisp white light projects a sense of advanced technology and precision. Down below, integrated into the lower bumper, we see what appear to be auxiliary driving lights, or perhaps even integrated fog lamps, accented with a subtle amber hue, hinting at practical off-road or utility lighting. The lower valance is rugged, suggesting an improved approach angle and robust underbody protection, vital for a truck that intends to tackle more than just the asphalt. Moving around to the side, and then to the rear, the F-150's iconic silhouette is still present, but it's been refined and sharpened for the next generation. The crew cab configuration is clearly visible, offering maximum passenger comfort. The fender flares are muscular and pronounced, giving it a wide, planted stance that screams capability. What truly stands out are those wheels. They are multi-spoke, finished in a dark, almost charcoal grey, and look incredibly aggressive. Paired with those meaty, all-terrain tyres, they instantly tell you this truck means business, whether that's on the highway or forging its own path off-road. This isn't just a show truck, it's built to perform. Now, let's talk about that rear end. It's a beautifully clean and modern design. The taillights are vertical LED strips, echoing the C-shaped design language from the front, but elongated for a commanding rear presence. The rear bumper is meticulously integrated, featuring what looks like integrated dual exhaust outlets, a nod to traditional power and performance, even in a potentially electrified future. We can also spot parking sensors neatly integrated into the bumper, hinting at a full suite of driver assist features. This entire rear design feels robust yet refined, perfectly balancing functionality with sophisticated aesthetics. Imagine stepping inside this cabin. Based on the exterior's advanced design, it's highly probable we'll see a complete overhaul from the current generation. Expect a massive, horizontally oriented touchscreen infotainment system dominating the center stack, possibly running Ford's next-generation sync system, even more intuitive and responsive than ever before. This screen will likely control everything from navigation and climate to advanced vehicle settings and off-road modes. The instrument cluster will undoubtedly be fully digital, customizable to display a wide array of information, from vital vehicle diagnostics to intricate mapping for trail navigation. Connectivity will be paramount. Expect seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and likely an advanced 5G modem, providing blazing fast internet access for over-the-air updates and remote vehicle functions. Think about it: a mobile office, a command center, a connected living space, all within the confines of your truck. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the powertrain. Given the 2026 model year and the futuristic design, it's highly probable that the powertrain lineup will be a blend of advanced internal combustion engines, vastly improved hybrids, and a fully capable all-electric option. Building on the success of the F-150 Lightning and the PowerBoost hybrid, Ford is poised to offer choices that cater to every need. The standard gasoline engines will likely continue to be Ford's proven EcoBoost V6s, but with enhancements for increased power, torque, and efficiency. We could see next-generation twin-turbo technologies, or even mild hybrid assistance integrated into these gasoline units for smoother power delivery and improved fuel economy. For those who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing capability, the PowerBoost hybrid will likely be even more refined, offering stronger electric motor assistance, potentially a larger battery for extended electric-only range, and seamless transitions between gas and electric power. This hybrid system will be a true workhorse, offering both impressive fuel efficiency and the ability to power tools and equipment. And then there's the inevitable all-electric variant, potentially a next-generation Lightning or a new EF-150 that pushes the boundaries of range, charging speed, and raw electric power. We could see dual motor setups for incredible acceleration, four-wheel drive, and even innovative new battery technologies that reduce weight and increase energy density. Imagine instant torque for towing heavy loads, silent operation on the job site, and zero tailpipe emissions. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Ford F-150 based on these incredible first looks? It's clear that Ford isn't just updating a truck, they are redefining it. This F-150 represents a bold leap forward, seamlessly blending the rugged, dependable heritage of the F-Series with a vision of automotive future that's both ambitious and attainable. What are your thoughts on the 2026 Ford F-150? Are you as blown away as we are? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, stay safe and keep those engines revving, or silently charging. We'll see you in the next one.